How do you make the healthiest sandwich?
Sandwiches are quick and easy to make and eaten daily by millions of us. 2 slices of bread with stuff inside can be as dull or as creative as you want. But who says a sandwich can't be both delicious and good for you? It's time to rethink what goes between those slices of bread. So let's make a culinary masterpiece that loves you back. Your journey to a better sandwich starts now. Let's start with the bread. The right slice can elevate your sandwich from ordinary to extraordinary. Opting for breads made with whole grains is a simple yet significant step towards a healthier sandwich. Whole grains are minimally processed, retaining most of their natural nutrients. Whole grain breads are nutritional powerhouses, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help in maintaining digestive health and can keep you feeling full for longer periods. Unlike refined white bread, which is stripped of its nutrients during processing, whole grains retain their bran and germ, providing a hefty dose of goodness in every bite. This makes whole grain bread a more wholesome choice. Look for breads labeled 100% whole grain or whole wheat to ensure you're getting the real deal. These labels indicate that the bread is made entirely from whole grains, offering maximum health benefits. Its fermentation process makes it easier to digest and can even be beneficial for gut health. Rye bread, known for its distinctive flavor and darker color, is another nutritious option, packed with fiber and iron. It can be a great alternative for those looking to diversify their bread choices. A well-chosen bread can make all the difference in creating a satisfying and healthy meal.
What are you going to spread on that bread? Avoid butter and mayonnaise, as these are usually high in fat. Low-fat mayonnaise presents itself as a lighter option, significantly reducing fat and calories. However, to compensate for the lack of fat, it often includes added sugars, salt, and artificial ingredients. If you want the healthiest choice, spreads made with olive oil or sunflower oil generally offer a healthier profile, as they are typically lower in saturated fat and contain beneficial unsaturated fats. However, you must check the label to be sure they don't contain trans fats. Mustard is good as it's low in calories and is great for a nice kick of flavor. Even healthier would be mashed avocado, which is rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, and vitamins. Although this may be an acquired taste in an otherwise savory sandwich.
The fillings are the heart and soul of your sandwich, providing protein, healthy fats, and a burst of flavor. They are what make each bite satisfying and nutritious. Choosing nutrient-rich fillings can transform your sandwich from a simple meal into a nutritional powerhouse. When it comes to protein, lean meats like grilled chicken or turkey are excellent choices. These options are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. If you're looking for plant-based alternatives, chickpeas, lentils, and tofu are fantastic sources of protein and fiber. They offer a hearty texture and are perfect for a meatless meal. Another vegetarian option is avocado, a good source of healthy fats and a creamy texture that adds richness to your sandwich. It's a versatile ingredient that pairs well with many other fillings. Don't forget the salad. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions add a refreshing crunch and a hefty dose of vitamins and minerals. The darker the leaf, the better. Try spinach instead of lettuce for a nutrient boost. Remember, the key is to choose a variety of fillings that provide a balance of nutrients. This ensures that your sandwich is not only tasty, but also good for your health. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations to discover your perfect healthy sandwich fillings. Your creativity can lead to delicious and nutritious results.